Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas, and it is September 5th on a Monday. And SPYs, boy, they're just feeling a little bit tired here. A couple of red bars, although it's just kind of been going sideways for the last 3 days there. Looking for a potential, pullback, maybe trading sideways. Who knows? Maybe we could just blast up and take out that July high in the SPY. But regardless, I'm the type that always looks for setups, and let's take a look because I am seeing some setups today. A couple of medical biotech stocks that I'm keeping an eye on. One is TEVA. I love the way this thing has just kind of been going sideways. $10, a huge psychological level if it gets above that. So I have an alert there. You can see pretty close to Friday's high in that one. We'll be looking for volume if it does take out that $10 level. Otherwise, it could come right back. Another one very similar to it is this ROIV. This is a biotech, well, I'm not sure. It's in the medical field, but nonetheless, very similar to Teva there, that same kind of look. And you can see that huge resistance level is at $12 level. So put your price alert there. Keep an eye on it. Once again, you want to see volume and you want to see it trade through consistently and not just spike and then pull right back down. All right, Nucor is still play that's kind of setting up here once again, channeling in a market that really is kind of not going anywhere. But nonetheless, when the market pulled back, this one held kind of firm. So watch Nucor above that 175. And I think I have one more in here. I think you got to watch this GEN. No, that's kind of too sloppy. Let's go with the old school GE. This one is one that if it does get above that one, say 16 level, could attack these highs over here at 118. Have a good one, guys. Keep it tight. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.